this duty announcement, there are a couple of things which are going to happen, like export options will open up. In last 3 years, we were exporting a very good quantity from Indian factory to other countries, not only limited to US, even we were exporting for European market as well. And we were consuming the stock for India market also in those situations where MNRE exemption was not there. So all the inverter in rooftop segment were completely made in India from last 3 years. And now this Make in India mission, which we have now tried to take it to the next level by making it 10 gigawatts. So now a lot of job opportunities where we are also creating. So that is also an addition for Indian economy. And in the end, I think all these things are going to contribute to Indian economy. That is the main objective we Indians also have. Now this is the first step which government has taken. So we should not say that we have already achieved what we should do. There are still many things which government need to take care, but that government alone cannot do. So all the people who are listening this here as well as online, so I want to request to the industry players that there are few challenges which alone government cannot address, that has to be addressed together with the government. So industry player has to come forward to address those challenges. So when we know that the solar plants has to run for 25 years, and inverter is the main component, which is the heart of any solar plant. So what is happening, sometime in hurry, we are just taking call on the prices, which is actually not right. Sometimes there are companies who have invested a lot in R&D. There are companies who are more bankable, those who are global companies. Not only Sungrow, any company who is global company, who is having good bankable report, who has done reasonable investment in R&D, in service, should be recognized in the industry. That is what we request on behalf of all the inverter supplier who are actually making the investment in India. So sometimes we have seen that investment in R&D we say, but what happens? This R&D investment is just to say in the books or something real we are doing. So when we are talking about the investment in R&D, so actual thing what we expect as a customer also, if I am at the customer end, so I will think that what innovative that company is doing. If something innovation is happening, and then definitely that company has really invested in that R&D. Otherwise, if somebody is following some product or some company, which is also not right. Then coming to the second point, that company to whom we are selecting to take that company product in our plant, so that company is adaptable to the changes which are happening in the market as per the demand of the requirement which is required in the market. So that consideration should also be given. Now there are things like, if any company is focusing only on one technology is also not right. The focus should be as per the market demand, as per the market requirement. If any market demands for string inverter, we should be able to provide string inverter. If any market demands for central inverter, then we should be ready for central inverter. So that is what Sungrow thinks, and that is the reason why we have the complete product range. Whatever is the market, whatever is the demand, so we are always pushing our product based on the market requirement. It's not like that we are just pushing one product to the customer. So it's kind of forcing technique we are not applying at all. Now, again, the very important thing which I mentioned, that service support is also very important. Right now, all the industry players, what they are majorly looking at the service warranty, which is coming for the warranty period, 6 year, 5 year. I request everyone to please start exploring warranty till 25th year. So I just want to give you one example here. Our first big utility scale project with string inverter as well as with the central inverter happened in 2014. And today we are sitting in 2021. It means that warranty has already expired. But still, in case that same customer asks us to give service for that particular product, we have the ready inverter for that particular model, which we supplied 6 years back. We also have the spare also. So it should not be like that. We sold one inverter. Today, we don't have the spare after 2 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years. So it should not be like that. So we are very clear on that strategy. These models, we are going to keep it in India till the time that model doesn't cross that tenure of that particular product. Now, there are a few companies I don't want to say anything negative, so I just want to say that how we are doing. We are saying that yes, we are local. We are saying with proud. Why we are saying? Because we have local manufacturing setup here. We are doing the value addition. It's also not like that we are just assembling the inverters, so that is also not value addition. That is just assembling. That is not anything new we are doing that anybody can do. But here the value addition which SunGrow is doing, we are focusing to increase the local content. We want some value addition in Indian product. We want that we procure raw material locally, we make the inverter and we give it to our customer. So we want to reduce our dependency on the import as well. That is what we are targeting. Also, local service support should be considered when any decision making is happening. So that these are the few points which I thought to share with everyone. And